What if I told you that the universe has its own to do list? And today, you are going to hand over your biggest worries and desires for it to take care of. Imagine waking up tomorrow to find your problems solved and your dreams are in motion. Sounds like magic, right? Well, that's exactly what we are going to do today with the magical to do list. Stay with me till the end because this practice can transform the way you approach your life. So let's start it with the day 18 magical to do list. So, the magical to do list, day 18. So, you are letting your to do list, which is written in this paper, and just letting it go to the universe with all the sprinkles of magic. That's what we can see in this picture, right? So the world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Trust me, world is in abundance, ready to give you if you're ready to accept it, right? So really, when you think about it, gratitude is your best friend. It is always there for you, always available to help you. It will never fail you or let you down. And the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you and the more it will enrich your life. So, make gratitude your best friend and you won't be needing anybody in your life, trust me. You know, it will always be there for you, it will never ditch you, it will always listen to you. And if you give more and more gratitude, it will bring more and more happiness and peace in your life, right? So, ऐसा best friend किसको नहीं चाहिए, correct? So today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more. So it can do far more magical things for you. तो आज हमें gratitude पे पूरा का पूरा rely करना है, पूरा का पूरा छूट देना है कि आप मेरा काम कर. That's it. Okay? So let's see how magical our life can become if we rely completely on gratitude. Every day there was a little life problems that come up and that need solving. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve a problem, a situation. Maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you need to do and you are at a loss because there are only 24 hours in the day. It may be that you feel overwhelmed from work and you want more free time but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of children and you are feeling frazzled or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give you time out. You may be faced with a problem that needs fixing, but you have no idea which way to turn to fix it. You may have lost something and tried your best to locate it but had no luck. Or you might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, great hairdresser, amazing dentist, doctor, and despite your best efforts, you haven't been able to find what you need. You could be in an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do and you don't know how to respond to them. Or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone and instead of getting it resolved, things seem to be getting worse. See, लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स आती है, बहुत चैलेंजेस आती है एंड एवरी डे वी फेस अ लॉट, राइट? कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी हमें इमीडिएटली सपोर्ट चाहिए, कभी आवर हाउस हेल्प डजंट टर्न अप, कभी आवर कार ब्रेक्स डाउन, कभी वी नीड टू विजिट डॉक्टर. देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स विच हैपन्स ऑन डेली बेसिस एंड हमें समझ में नहीं आता कि इसको रिजॉल्व कैसे करें, इसको सॉल्व कैसे करें, राइट? एवरी पर्सन surely gets into some problem or the other every single day, right? Magical to-do list practice will help you with any little day-to-day problems when you don't know what to do or when you simply want something to be done for you. You will be amazed at the results. तो आज के प्रैक्टिस में क्या होगा, जैसे आपको आज के दिन के लिए बेबी सीटर चाहिए या आज के लिए एक ड्राइवर चाहिए या मतलब यू वांट टू विजिट अ डॉक्टर बट यू डोंट वांट अ लॉन्ग क्यू देयर या व्हाटएवर इट इज. तो आपका जो मैजिकल लिस्ट है आज के लिए वो आप बनाओगे, यूनिवर्स को दोगे. यू विल बी अमेज्ड टू सी दैट कैसे सारा काम इतना स्मूथली एंड फ्लॉलेसली हो गया, राइट? ये ग्रैटिट्यूड का मैजिक है दैट यू विल सी व्हेन यू स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस. When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, people, circumstances, and events must be rearranged to do what you want done for you. You will not know how it will happen or how it will be done for you, but that is not your job, okay? Your job is simply to be as grateful as you can be for what you want done right now, as though it were done, and then let the magic happen. See, this is said that आप यूनिवर्स को फिर सिर्फ बता दो, आप यूनिवर्स को सिर्फ बता दो आपको क्या चाहिए. and let them do the job. Let them, work towards it to get things done, right? तो आपको भी ऐसा ही करना है अपने साथ. आपका जो टू डू लिस्ट है वो आप यूनिवर्स को बताओ. डोंट थिंक अबाउट हाउ इट विल बी डन. बस वो अपने आप होते रहेगा. आप बस देखते जाना. अपने आप सिचुएशंस ऐसे होंगे, अपने आप सर्कमस्टेंसेस ऐसे बनेंगे कि वो इजीली हो जाएगा आपका, राइट? तो just need what you need to be is just be grateful before that has happened only. वो चीज होने के पहले ही आपको ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करना है, पूरी तरीके से विजुअलाइज और इमेजिन करना है कि वो चीज हो गया, एंड देन यू विल सी द मैजिक. टुडे create a written to-do list of the most important things you would like to be done or resolved for you, and title your list the magical to-do list. You might put things on your list that you don't have time to do or don't want to do along with your current problems, from the smallest day-to-day things to bigger life situations. Think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you. आज आपको बैठ के सोचना है आपके टू डू लिस्ट के बारे में. जो भी काम पेंडिंग है, जो भी काम आप बहुत दिन से डिले कर रहे हो, जो भी काम आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर करके उसको बस ऐसे ही छोड़ के रखे हो, या कोई काम बहुत अर्जेंट है वो आज ही करना है, या एनी सिचुएशन जो आपका पेंडिंग है, चाहे वो छोटा से छोटा हो या बहुत बड़ा से बड़ा हो, वो आपको आपके लिस्ट में लिखना है जो अभी अनरिजॉल्व्ड है. ओके? When you have finished making your list, choose 3 things from your list to focus on today. And one at a time, imagine that each item has been magically done for you. Imagine that all people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do it for you, and it is now done. All done, all sorted, all solved for you, and you are giving massive thanks in return for it having done. Spend at least 1 minute on each of your 3 items, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. You can follow the same practice on the rest of the items on your list another time, and this power is simply putting the things you want done on the magical to-do list. पूरा जो लिस्ट प्रिपेयर हुआ उसमें से आपको 3 मेन पॉइंट्स निकालने हैं जो आपको आज के आज करना है, and then one point at a time you need to express your gratitude. You need to imagine and visualize getting it done. एंड उसके बारे में सोचना है कि वाओ, यू आर फीलिंग सो ग्रेटफुल, यू आर फीलिंग सो थैंकफुल बाय सीइंग द थिंग्स हैपनिंग सो परफेक्टली, सो इनॉर्मसली, राइट? ये आपको धीरे धीरे एक एक करके एक एक मिनट देना है फॉर ईच वर्क टू बी डन. जो आपका और बचा रहेगा वो आप आफ्टर अ डे और 2 कोई और टाइम पे कर सकते हो. सेम प्रैक्टिस. Remember that the law of attraction says like attracts like, and that means that when you are grateful for the solutions as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the situation. Focusing on problem attracts more problems. You have to be the magnet to the solution, not a magnet to the problem. Being grateful that you have the solution, that it has been resolved, attracts the solution. तो आपका जो प्रॉब्लम है, जो काम बचा हुआ है, उसके ऊपर अट्रैक्ट नहीं करके उसका जो सोल्यूशन है उसको अट्रैक्ट करना है, उसको विजुअलाइज करना है, उसके बारे में सोचना है एंड फील करना है कि वो चीज़ हो गया. बिकॉज यू नीड टू बी द मैग्नेट टू द सोल्यूशंस, नॉट द प्रॉब्लम. इसलिए प्रॉब्लम के बारे में मत सोचो, काम जो पेंडिंग है उसके बारे में मत सोचो, उसका जो रिजल्ट है, जो चीज़ होना है उसके बारे में सोचो एंड सी it happening in front of your eyes. To demonstrate how powerful this magical practice is, I want to share a story with you about my daughter who used this practice to attract her lost wallet back to her. So her daughter lost his wallet and कैसे उन्होंने इस practice को use किया था to find her wallet back. ओके उसने ये नहीं सोचा कि वॉलेट गुम गया, किसी ने चोरी कर लिया या जो भी, उसने ये इमेजिन किया कि वॉलेट मिल गया एंड शी इज सीइंग एवरीथिंग इनसाइड इट, राइट? सो लेट्स सी व्हाट शी डिड. After being out one night, my daughter discovered the next morning that she did not have her wallet and she had no idea where she might have lost it or even if it had been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she used to come back home, the local police station, and she searched the streets and knocked on surrounding doors, but no one had found her wallet. Okay? Other than the fact that my daughter's wallet contained the usual precious things in it, including all her bank, credit cards, driver's license and cash, her biggest concern was that her wallet contained no current contact information because she had been overseas for some time. She didn't have a publicly listed phone number, and with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope. But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding a wallet in her hands. She opened her wallet, she went through all the contents, and she felt enormous gratitude that she had a wallet and everything in it back and in her hands. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उनका वॉलेट गुम गया था, and she didn't know कहाँ है, किधर रखा, कुछ नहीं समझ आ रहा था. She tried to contact everyone, but she did not have any hope because nobody actually had her wallet, right? तो basically उनका वॉलेट गुम गया था, and she didn't know where did he leave it. उन्होंने हर जगह ट्राई किया, but she did not get it. Okay, she had lost all her hope. And the worst part is, उनके पास जो वॉलेट था उसमें कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन कॉन्टैक्ट का नहीं था कि कैसे भी किसी को अगर मिले तो उसको कैसे कॉन्टैक्ट करे, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो कॉन्टैक्ट इंफॉर्मेशन इनसाइड द वॉलेट. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, शी डिड नॉट थिंक अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम. She first tried everything and then she just sat down and visualized getting that wallet back. उन्होंने ये इमेजिन किया कि उनको सब कुछ मिल गया है. शी इमेजिन द क्रेडिट कार्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग इनसाइड द वॉलेट, एंड उन्होंने यही सोचा कि उनको मिल गया वॉलेट. एंड शी वाज एक्सप्रेसिंग हर ग्रैटिट्यूड दैट शी हैड अ वॉलेट एंड उनको वापस मिल गया बिना उनको मिले. शी एक्सप्रेस्ड हर ग्रैटिट्यूड. ओके, for the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it again, my daughter imagined she had her wallet in her hands, and she felt enormous elation and gratitude that her wallet had been returned to her. Throughout the day, जब भी उनको याद आ रहा था कि उनका वॉलेट नहीं है, वो उन्होंने immediately switch किया, thinking about how gratitude she is by, after finding her wallet. Okay. Later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away, saying that he had found her wallet. The extraordinary part of the story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street outside my daughter's home in the early hours of the morning, and he immediately searched the wallet looking for contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but to no avail, so he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. But while he was walking out in the fields at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through it one last time. He found a small piece of paper with a man's Christian name written on it, and so he put the Christian names together with my daughter's surname and called directory assistance. There was just one listing for that Christian name and surname. The farmer called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. To this day, we do not know how the farmer got that phone number because it was an unlisted number. We called directory assistance ourselves several times after this happened, but the response every time was, sorry, there is no listing for that name. From 100 miles away, through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events, my daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back, and as must happen, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, situation, circumstances, and event to return her wallet to her. The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well, and it always has been. You just have to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it. So it's a very easy thing, right? So see how circumstances, events, people, get along together. If you want that to happen. उनके पास कोई फोन नंबर नहीं था, but still that farmer could manage to get her number. कैसे भी करके उन्होंने ढूंढ निकाला और उनको वॉलेट वापस मिल गया. And this is a true story. Okay. So trust me, if you have that hope कि it's okay, मिल जाएगा. I'm sure मिल जाएगा. If you don't bring negative thoughts to it, universe will try everything possible to get it done for you. Right? Gratitude करना है, feel करना है, imagine करना है, visualize करना है, and see things happening in front of you. Right? But you need to have faith. You need to have belief in it. Right? So this was it for day 18 magical to-do list. So let's see what we need to do today. So the first thing is count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as you are for that thing. फिर आपको क्या करना है, क्रिएट अ रिटन लिस्ट ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स और प्रॉब्लम्स यू नीड डन और सॉल्व्ड, एंड टाइटल योर लिस्ट एज मैजिकल टू डू लिस्ट. उसमें से आपको 3 चूज करना है, 3 ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स फ्रॉम योर लिस्ट, एंड 1 एट अ टाइम आप एक एक करके 1 मिनट दो उसके बारे में सोचने के लिए, ग्रैटिट्यूड एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए. Spend at least 1 minute on each item, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. It's a very simple thing, right? And then last night before sleep, do the magic practice, which is of magic rock. Say thank you for the best thing that happened throughout the day. Right? So this was it for day 18 magical to-do list. So create your list and give it to the universe and just stop worrying about how it will happen. Just have that faith that it will surely happen. So stay tuned.